Let's fry the best fried rice ever, shall we? Hello Sweetcorn, welcome back again to my channel. This is Lady B Kitchen. Today is your first time tuning in. You are highly welcome, and for my returning subscriber, may God keep on blessing you. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you for doing it right. So my people, let me take you to the few ingredients that I will be needing on this recipe. This is just a simple way and a best way to fry your fried rice at home. Let's dive into this video. The first ingredient I will be needing is green beans. So here I have my green beans. It's already peeled and it's already washed. So here is the green beans. So now it's fried already, so all I will do is to turn in the white rice inside the frying pan. I'm going to
no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong, I just need to carry on. Cause society's a myth, put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid.